Hi everyone, today we are going to make a makeup remover cream cleanser. Let's see the ingredients required. First is the coconut oil. I have used it because it removes makeup and dirt easily. The next ingredient is castor oil. We are going to add it at a lower percentage, 2%. You can substitute these oils with other ones that are your favorite. Now goes the shea butter. Shea butter is a skin friendly butter which doesn't clog pores and also helps in removing the oil based makeup. For the emulsifier, I am using Olivem 1000, which is a natural emulsifier, along with cetyl alcohol and stearic acid. Olivem 1000 can be substituted with other emulsifier, but the consistency will be different. Let's add cetyl alcohol and stearic acid to increase the stability and also increase the consistency of the cream. You could use cetyl alcohol in place of cetyl alcohol and stearic acid. Now goes the glycerin, which is a humectant. For easy rinse off, I am adding an amphoteric surfactant, which is a Coco Betaine. Now let's add distilled water. This is a one pot cream where we can add both oil phase and water phase here. Let's put it on a double boiler for 10 minutes until everything gets melted. Let's measure the cool down phase ingredients. Colloidal oatmeal, green tea extract, both are suiting to the skin. For the fragrance, I have chosen essential oils combination, but you can use a fragrance oil. I have used rosewood essential oil, turmeric essential oil and basil essential oil. I have used all of the essential oils under 0.5% and under dermal limits. We'll also measure the Gojiberry extract and preservative Euxyl K 712. The beaker is off from a double boiler. Now let's pour it in a bigger container to blend it. I am going to use immersion blender to blend it in regular intervals to form a thick and good consistency. Once it is at room temperature, we can add cool down phase ingredients to it, mix and blend it again if necessary. We need to test the pH of this cream and make sure that it is under 5.5. because the preservative Euxyl K 712 works better under pH 5.5. Let's pour it in a container. Do you see how thick and creamy it is? If you change any of these ingredients, the consistency will differ. For a demo, I have applied lipstick and eyeliner on my hand. I'll show you how it works. You can see that the makeup is getting removed slowly and it is not harsh on the skin too. You can apply some water and wipe it off using a tissue paper or towel. This cream cleanser is suitable for dry skin. If you make this, you can tag me on Instagram. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.